Welcome back to Instables. It looks like PLTR has been picking up volume today as we did have earnings today. We had positive earnings. Now, which levels do we need to hold above to have a possible reversal and a possible continuation breakout and possibly testing our highs that we had previously? And what exact levels do we need to make sure we do hold above to make sure we do avoid a continuation sell-off? And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over PLTR with you guys here on the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for on the swing trade perspective. And I want to make sure we do cover this because, again, they did have positive earnings. We did mention them this morning in the Instables room, and we did have a breakout up to around $25.50. Looking to see if we can continue. Looks like we are dropping below that $25 mark. Looking to see if we can have a continuation breakout. And again, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts of the day. We also do mention mid-cap stocks. We mentioned PLTR today on the earnings. We mentioned ACY on multiple halts today and major breakouts that we had throughout the day. We mentioned ACY yesterday, and we also did have multiple breakouts yesterday with ACY. So again, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakouts and sometimes mid-cap breakouts when they are very volatile, then definitely check out instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. So again, PLTR, as you guys can see, we did mention previously our bull flag that we did have. We had a continuation breakout since then, and we have been decreasing on the price action here and showing us that we do have a descending wedge. We mentioned that we were breaking above this descending wedge, showing us that momentum with the 20-day moving average holding above the 50, and then we crossed back down. Now, a lot of people looking to see if PLTR was a huge scam, if it was going to continue to sell off and it was just a huge hoax, or if we're going to possibly break out. Now, again, we did have positive earnings, so a lot of people have different perspectives on PLTR, so a lot of people are expecting for this one to possibly break out or possibly be the huge scam that everybody that has been thinking it might be. So we're going to see if we can break out going to tomorrow and what exactly has to happen here. You guys can see the 20-day moving average is testing the 50-day moving average, and you guys can see we are crossing right above it going 600 hours. We're going to see if we can continue here on the 4-hour chart. So in my opinion, breaking over this $28 mark is very key. As you guys can see, we broke into that $25 mark, but we could not break the body of the candle above this point here at 25, and we are consolidating, looking to see if we can continue here. But I do want to mention that we did have an increase in buy pressure again on that earnings, of course, but as you guys can see previously in the stock, we did have our sell pressure, and we are looking to see if we can break over the sell pressure point. If we can break over the sell pressure point, in my opinion, then we could get that momentum to test this $28 mark going to tomorrow. And if we are going to break above this $28 mark, in my opinion, then we need to make sure we can break above this volume point that we did see previously when we broke up to around $30. So again, PLTR definitely on the watch here. If we can break above this volume point here and then break over the next volume point to break over this $28 mark to get more confirmation on this momentum. Again, we are playing off of momentum, so we want to make sure we do get that momentum to possibly break out and have this continuation. As you guys can see on the buy pressure, we have been increasing buy pressure, and we also do have the EMA lines that are pointing up, showing us a lot of momentum going to this stock, and we have the EMA lines still above the MACD, showing us that we may continue. But again, PLTR definitely on the watch to hold above $25 going to pre-market, hopefully to give us more momentum. But however, again, breaking over $28 has been the very key resistance that we have been talking about for quite a while, and we do still have that $28 as a very key resistance, as again, we did not only get rejected around this time, but we also did have a continuation sell-off at this point, and we also did have our confirmation on our bull flag that we had here previously in the stock. So again, $28 and holding above it is extremely key for PLTR. If you guys want to set an alert here for $28, then that's exactly what I would be doing. But again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. And again, make sure you are playing patient. Make sure you do let the play come to you, and make sure we are letting the volume confirmation and that buy pressure confirmation give us that confirmation on these breakouts. Again, if we do not get confirmations, then we could have continuation sell-offs. We want to make sure we do have momentum and confirmation on these breakouts, in my opinion. And again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of today, again, you guys know what to do. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I love you guys. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.